So I'm remaking the INFP masterclass right now, and I figured I should share some of the insights and some of the tips that I'm giving throughout the course. This one is about the fast track to success, so you can stop wasting years on perfectionism. Just a little snippet from it here is the speed of implementation. This is a concept I learned from Eben Pagan. Take action, take more action, get feedback as fast as possible, and then reiterate until you can get to version 3. And one of the issues that comes with that, though, is the emotional response that we often have to feedback. We don't want to share our stuff because we're afraid that somebody's going to say something or be critical of it. And in the video, I talk about the importance of a different mindset shift around what feedback actually is and how to leverage that so that you can always feel good about what happens, or almost always. I know sometimes things happen and there's not much you can do about it, except shake it off and get into a better state and then progress from there. So if you get anything from this video, it's something that I learned for myself, as well as take more action, get stuff out there, do more with your ideas and your creativity, and actually create something in the world, and then get feedback on it and do it again, do it more, do it better.